potentially the biggest storm of the season so far up in Tahoe. So that is why we are under a rare blizzard warning. We haven't gotten one of these in a year. So this is a really big deal affecting all the counties that you see there shaded in red. And then we also have a high wind warning.
This is what we woke up to this morning, about 5 inches of powder from the big blizzard. So the storm hit on Thursday up in the Sierras, and it's supposed to continue snowing until Sunday. I'll leave a link in the description of some great video of Donner Summit, Interstate 80 over Donner Summit.